In this example, we want to find the distance between the points P1, located at 3, -1, 5, and P2, located at 2, 1, -1. In order to find this distance, we're going to use the distance formula for three-dimensional space. The distance then between these points, P1 and P2, will be the square root of the sum of the squares of the differences of the appropriate coordinates for our points. So we take our x-coordinates of our points, which are 3 and 2. We subtract them, so here 2 minus 3, and then square that. We add to that the square of the differences of the y-coordinates, which would be 1 minus -1, quantity squared. And last but not least, we take our z-coordinates and subtract those, -1, -5, quantity squared, and all of this, of course, inside the square root. We then just need to do the arithmetic. Here we have 2 minus 3, which is -1 squared, which is 1. We add to that 1 minus -1 squared, which is 2 squared, or 4. And the last term here is -1 minus 5 squared, which would be -6 squared, or 36. So we have the square root of 1 plus 4 plus 36, which is the square root of 41. So the distance between the points P1 and P2 is exactly square root of 41. Next, we want to find the distance between the point P1, located at 1, -5, 4, and P2, located at 4, -1, -1. You can pause the video and try this example yourself, then resume the video to see the solution in a few seconds. Applying the distance formula with these 2 points, P1 and P2, we obtain the square root of 4 minus 1 squared plus -1 minus -5 squared plus -1 minus 4 squared, which gives us the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 25, or the square root of 50.